Today, let's go over an easy question that I just solved a couple minutes ago. This one is called most frequent number following key in an array. And I originally struggled with this because I didn't really understand what they were asking, as the description is a bit confusing, but if you read the discuss section, you'll figure out what they're asking and then you can code it up. So essentially you're given a zero indexed integer list and another integer. And what they want you to do here is to count the numbers that appear one index to the right of the key, and then whatever number with the highest frequency, return that. So here, for example, 2 appears right after 2 twice, and 3 appears after 2 once. Meaning, actually, 2 appears 3 times, because each time to the right by 1, you count for this guy, and you count for this guy. So to the right one index to the right. You put it in a hash map and you count the highest frequencies. So if you know that, let's iterate from left to right and create a dictionary first to map the number to its frequency. And then let's go from left to right in the input array. And actually, let's start from 1 because we want to compare the one after, which is the one previous. You can also start from length of nums and go up to -1 to compare one to the right, but I'm just going to do it this way because we're just going from left to right. And then we can ask if nums of I -1 is equal to the key. Then if this is equal to the key, then we know the current one is a valid candidate. So we can, this is the current one, increment the count by 1, and let's print the dictionary to see. So you can see now 100 appears twice because it's coming out right after a 1. And then 2 appears 3 times, right, each from the preceding 2. 3 appears 1 time because it appears 1 time right after the key in the array. So now we can iterate over our dictionary, and if, let's find the maximum count first, is equal to the max of the values of the dictionary, and then is equal to max count, we can just return the key itself. So in this case, it'd be 2 because this is the highest out of the values in the dictionary. And there you go, passes all test cases. So I think for this question, as long as you understand what they're asking, it's a lot easier. And yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it and it's helpful. Stay tuned for more.